So this is sort of the intake, the before. Wires for the lights, wires for the running lights. I'm not quite sure where his speaker wires are. But he was trying to wire up a killer speaker stereo system. And something bad happened. We have, well, I'm not sure what, but I guess that's his speaker wires. But these are the wires he was wiring up, I assume, and I think he likes using red wire because I guess that red's supposed to be black, and that's why he's got 3 black things. There's the wire that melted. Probably smoked everything. I see some wires up underneath there. But there's a number of bare wires up underneath here. And I'm not sure where this project's really going. But his selector switch took the brunt of the hit because it smoked it and it doesn't move. Something back here got pretty hot because it was sitting on that wire loom right there and melted the wire loom. And I guess that red wire with the 3 blacks on the back right there means it was a ground. So there's some toasty red right there. But that's what we have.